What the hell? What happened to Lord Caddington?
I don't know. I just gave him some wet cat food and he just started like sputtering out and he popped open and he had all this mechanical stuff inside him. Oh, is that a Soviet flag?
Impossible. Soviet Union ended 1993.
What's going on with your voice? Is that a Russian accent?
Czechoslovakian. But this Russian Kalishnikov.
What the hell is going on?
Indeed, Mr. Anderson. What is going on?
Why are the Russians so mad at me? Sir, we've lost contact with units 3, 14, and 27.
Well played, Mr. Anderson. Well played.